Okay, welcome students. So today we'll do the workbook exercise on linkers. Okay, this is the third video. First video we discussed about what is that writing skill ಬಗ್ಗೆ. The second video is on the functions of linkers. What are linkers and what are the functions? Then today we'll deal with the workbook exercise and tomorrow we'll go for the exam exercise questions so that you will be thorough. I told you it is not a difficult chapter. You have to use your reasoning, a bit of common sense, and then see what is fitting. Trial and error method. Take one by one, and if you are finding it difficult, then you just leave it, go to the next one. Then finally you will be able to do it properly. If you make one mistake, there will be 2 marks gone. That is definite. So should be little careful, that's all. Okay, so before going to the exercise, we should know the different uses of linkers and their functions. What are linkers and what are their functions? We should apply some technique to use the correct linker. In exam, there will be 4 dashes and linkers will be given in the brackets, and you have to select and then fill them in the blanks. Okay. In examinations, don't write only the linker. Students simply put the linkers. So you must write the paragraph, dashes, and then fill them up and underline and show them. Okay, this is the correct method. Then if you make one mistake, automatically one more mistakes will happen. So be little careful. Now take the workbook page number 67. If you don't have the workbook, see the screen. There are about 6 exercises. Today we'll do them. So please read. I'll read, and if you don't have, it is better that you write them and then fill in the blanks with the correct linker. Okay. The first one is Aesop is a figure clouded in so much mystery and legend. Dash, it is difficult to know, dash, can be said about him. Full stop. It is also strange to believe, dash, this world famous man was born a slave in the 6th century BC. Dash, slaves were bought and sold frequently. Full stop. Aesop's Greek master gave him liberty, dash, he was impressed by his learning and wit. So this is the passage, and then bracketally there are 4 linkers: because, that, what, and when. So you must use a bit of this thing, common sense logic. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಂಕರ್ ಫಸ್ಟೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಎರಡನೇದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್, ಇವೆಂಚುವಲಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ಲಿ, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ the first one will be, again you must read, Aesop is a figure clouded in so much mystery and legend that it is difficult to know what can be said about him. So now you see, correct meaning is coming. So first dash ಏನು, that. Second dash ಏನು, what. Now ಉಳಿದಿರುವುದು ಯಾವುದು, that and what ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ because and when. Okay, let us see. Then it is also strange to believe. It is also strange to believe that this world famous man was born a slave. In the 6th century BC, when the slaves were bought and sold frequently. Since there are 5 dashes, so that comes 2 times. Okay, here when. Third one ಏನು, that. Fourth one ಏನು, ವೆನ್ ಅವಾಗ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್. ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Aesop's Greek master gave him liberty because he was impressed by his learning and wit. Okay. So, there are 5 dashes, 4 linkers. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ they give only 4 dashes and 4 linkers. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನು? ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ವೆನ್. And fifth one because. I hope you have all done it. Now exercise number 2. Alok was happy dash he was selected to take part in the car race. Full stop. He gladly went dash the race was to take place. Full stop. He was given a car kit dash he could build the body of the car using small pieces of wood. Full stop. Alok asked Abhi dash he would help him. Full stop. Abhi refused. Full stop. Dash. Alok did not give up. He set out to make the car. Why I am saying full stop comma ಅಂದರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವು ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವುದೇ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ 5 ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್. ವೇರ್, ವೆನ್, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಹೌಎವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ 5 linkers and 5 dashes are there. So it becomes easy. Okay. So the first one is Alok was happy when he was selected. When to take part in the car race. Okay. He gladly went where the race was to take place. Second one, where. He was given a car kit so that. Third one, so that he could build the body of the car using small pieces of wood. Full stop. Alok asked Abhi if he would help him. If he would help him. Full stop. Abhi refused. Full stop. Last ಉಳಿದಿರುವುದು ಏನು? However, Alok did not give up. He set out to make the car. I hope you have understood. So, first one is when. Second one is where. Third one is so that. Fourth one is if. And fifth one is however. Please, if you have the workbook, please fill them up. If you don't have the workbook, see the screen and at least write the answers so that time ಇರುವಾಗ you can copy them down. Okay, workbook ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು ನೀವು. If you are not having, buy, beg or borrow, that we do not know. You must have the workbook. And if you have my ಗೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ fill it up. So grammar ಮಾತ್ರ you must have a notebook and you must fill up all the exercises given in the workbook. Okay, third one. The rains had failed. ಇದು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. They dash all the wells and tanks had run dry. Full stop. Dash. Overcome the problem, the municipal authorities sunk a number of bore wells. Comma, dash, they could supply water to the citizens. Full stop. Dash, the situation was brought under control. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ therefore thus ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. The rains had failed. The rains had failed. So full stop ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we can start with therefore. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರಲ್ಲ. Therefore all the wells and tanks had run dry. Full stop. Next, in order to overcome in order to. The problem, the municipal authorities sunk a number of bore wells ಆಮೇಲೆ so that they could supply water to the citizens. Full stop. Thus, last one is thus the situation was brought under control. Okay, I'll repeat. The first one is therefore. Second one is in order to. Third one is so that. Fourth one is thus. So example ಇದೇ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, 4 ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ 4 ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್. So you must select them and fill up. Next, fourth one. In summer, the rumor of a famine swept through the province. Dash was a baseless one. The crops were growing well. Dash. The weather was perfect for a bumper harvest. Full stop. Dash. On the strength of that rumor, thousands of small farmers abandoned their farms and fled to the cities. Full stop. As a result of this, crops failed, thousands starved. Full stop. Dash. The rumor about the famine proved true. Okay, there are 5 dashes and 1, 2, 3, 4. So please add one more linker. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ವಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರೀರಿ, because. So linkers are because, and, thus, as a result, but. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು 5 ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ the first one is and. The rumor of a famine swept through the province and was a baseless one. And was a baseless one. But ಬರ್ಬೋದು, but here I am putting and. ನೋಡೋಣ. The crops were growing well because, here because, the weather was perfect for a bumper harvest. But on the strength of that rumor, thousands of small farmers abandoned their farms and fled to the cities. Next, as a result of this, crops failed, thousands starved. Thus, the rumor about the famine proved true. Thus. Okay, ಈಗ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಬೇಸ್ಲೆಸ್ ಒನ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡು ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಕೆಲವುದು ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಲಿಂಕರ್ ಮೇ ಗೋ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಬಟ್. ಸಿ, the rumor of a famine swept through the province but was a baseless one. Second one, because, ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿರೋದ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಿಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, and on the strength of that rumor. Fourth one, as a result of this, ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. Last is thus, it's also correct. Okay, next we'll go for the fifth one. There was a king who had one eye and one leg, dash, that he asked all the painters to draw a beautiful portrait of him, full stop, dash, none of them could, full stop. How could they paint him beautifully with the defects in one eye and one leg? Dash, one of them agreed and drew a classic picture of the king. Dash, it was a fantastic picture that surprised everyone. Full stop. He painted the king aiming for a hunt, targeting with one eye closed and one leg bent. Okay, so what are the linkers here? Bracket ali, and, but, eventually, in spite of. So 4 dash ide, 4 linkers ide. Okay, so let us see. First one is there was a king who had one eye and one leg. ಆಮೇಲೆ in spite of that, he asked. Meaning correct ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. That means that is okay in spite of that. Then portrait of him. Second one is but none of them could. Second ಏನು but none of them could. Full stop. Then how could they paint him beautifully with the defects in one eye and one leg? And one of them agreed. And one of them agreed and drew a classic picture of the king. Eventually, it was a fantastic picture. Eventually, it was a fantastic picture. So, 4 dashes ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. First one is in spite of. Second one is but. Third one is and. Fourth one is eventually. No, sixth one. Eating soup in Japan. Eating soup in Japan is more dangerous than anything else. Dash. Eating soup, one must make a fearful noise, as it is a sign of appreciation. Full stop. Dash. A European who tries to make such a noise will be considered an ill-mannered lout. Dash. It is not liked by the Japanese hostess. Full stop. Dash. One must be careful in Japan if he or she is offered soup. See what are the linkers here? While, because, therefore, and however. 4 dash ಇದೆ, 4 linkers ಇದೆ. Okay. So first one, eating soup in Japan is more dangerous than anything else. Okay. So starting we'll put with while eating soup, one must make a fearful noise, as it is a sign of appreciation. However, a European who tries to make such a noise will be considered an ill-mannered lout. Okay. Then third one, because it is not liked by the Japanese hostess. Because it is not liked by the Japanese hostess. Last one, however, what is that? However, therefore ಹೋಗೋಣ. Therefore, one must be careful in Japan if he or she is offered soup. Okay. So first one is while. Second one is however. Third one is because. Fourth one is there because. Last one you put therefore. Therefore one must be. Third one is because. Okay. While, however, because, therefore. So these are the 4 linkers. Okay. Sometimes it's a little bit ಒಂದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎರರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಬರೀಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಖಾಲಿ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಬರಿಬೇಡ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಓ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಉಳಿದಿರುವುದನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಬೈ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೌಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಬರೆಯಬಾರದು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಒನ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. 7th one, logging, LOGGING, logging had led to landslides and flood. Logging had led to landslides and flood, dash, scarcity of water, comma, fodder, FODDER, and fuel, full stop. I'll repeat. Logging had led to landslides and flood, dash, scarcity of water, comma, fodder, and fuel. Full stop. Dash. Women provide basic needs. The scarcity meant longer walks to satisfy the needs. I'll repeat. Dash. Women provide the basic needs. The scarcity meant longer walks to satisfy the needs. Full stop. Women knew that the real value of forests was not the timber from a dead tree, dash, the springs and streams. I'll repeat. Women knew that the real value of forests was not the timber from a dead tree, dash, the springs and streams. Full stop. The women declared, dash, they would hug the trees. The women declared, dash, they would hug the trees. And write down in bracket, but, comma, that, comma, since, comma, and. So, but, that, since, and. Okay. Now let us see. First one, logging had led to landslides and floods and scarcity of water, fodder and fuel. And ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. First one ಏನು? And. Second one, since women, since ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Since women provide the basic needs, the scarcity meant longer walks to satisfy the needs. Women knew that the real value of forests was not timber from a dead tree, but the springs and streams. So ಮೂರನೇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಉಳಿದಿರುವುದು ಯಾವುದು? That. The women declared that they would hug the trees. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ you have to decide. Okay. So these are the workbook exercises. Now I'll dictate some more exercise so that you will be bit confident of attempting this question. So please write down 8th one. It was not a large army, only 60 men in all. I'll repeat. It was not a large army, only 60 men in all. Dash. Still, it was an army. Full stop. There were taxes in Monaco, dash, in other countries. Full stop. Dash, people drank and smoked, yet the income was not sufficient. Full stop. Dash, the kinglet maintained the monopoly of the gaming houses. Bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ though, comma, as, comma, so, comma, but. Though, as, so, but. Okay, now let us fill up. The first one is, it was not a large army, only 60 men in all, but still it was an army. So, meaning ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. But still, but. There were taxes in Monaco, as in other countries, as. So, meaning ಬರಂಗ ಹುಡುಕಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Now, there are two more left. Dash, people drank. Third one ಏನು? Though people drank and smoked, yet the income was not sufficient. So, last one is, so the kinglet maintained the monopoly of the gaming houses. So, meaning ಬರಂಗ ಹುಡುಕಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Okay? Okay, take one more. Everyone, dash, wanted to play roulette, ROULETTE, came to Monaco. Everyone, dash, wanted to play roulette, came to Monaco, dash, gambled. Okay, full stop. Dash, they win or lose. The keeper gets a percentage of income. dash they win or lose, the keeper gets a percentage of income. Full stop. The king knew it was a dirty business. Dash he resorted to it to maintain his kingdom. He resorted to it to maintain his kingdom. Bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ whether, comma, and, comma, but, comma, who. Whether and but who. So let us see the answers. The first one is who. Everyone who wanted to play roulette came to Monaco and gambled. Very simple. Who and. Now ಉಳಿದಿರುವುದು third one is whether they win or lose. So meaning correct ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Whether they win or lose, the keeper gets a percentage of income. The king knew that it was a dirty business. Last one ಏನು, but he resorted to it to maintain his kingdom. Okay, very simple. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Then one more. There was only one hitch. There was only one hitch, H-I-T-C-H, dash. That was, they had dash a guillotine, G-U-I-L-L-O-T-I-N-E, dash an executioner. There was only one hitch, dash. That was, they had dash a guillotine, dash an executioner, dash. The general was called for consultation. The general was called for consultation. So bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ not, comma, so, comma, and, comma, neither. Okay, not, so, and, neither. Answers are, there was only one hitch, and that was, and akri, that was, they had neither a guillotine nor an executioner. Neither nor. Okay, neither a guillotine nor an executioner. Okay, ಉಳಿದಿರುವುದು ಯಾವುದು? So the general was called for consultation. So very very simple. Okay, next one. The council was called to consider dash could be done. The council was called to consider dash could be done. Full stop. A request was sent to the king of Italy dash agree to help. A request was sent to the king of Italy dash agree to help. Full stop. It was cheaper dash still it seemed too much dash the rascal was really not worth the money. Dash still it seemed too much dash the rascal was really not worth the money. Bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ because, what, but, and who. Because, what, but, and who. So what are the answers? The council was called to consider what could be done. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದು ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ, ವಾಟೇ ಬರುವುದಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, a request was sent to the king of Italy who agreed to help. Who. Second one ಏನು? Who. What. Next who. It was cheaper but still it seemed too much. But ಉಳಿದಿರುವುದು ಯಾವುದು? Because the rascal was really not worth the money. So answers are what, who, but, because. Okay, one more. The prisoner remained dash a year had passed dash When a year had passed, the kinglet noticed a new item of expenditure. When a year had passed, the kinglet noticed a new item of expenditure. Full stop. Dash. The kinglet called the commission and discussed. Dash. It was finally decided to let the criminal free. Dash. It was decided to let the criminal free. Okay. The linkers are so, comma, but, comma, finally, comma, until. So, but, finally, until. Okay. So first one is the prisoner remained until ಬರೀ ಯಾವುದು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ until a year had passed. Okay. ಆಮೇಲೆ but when a year had passed, but second one is but the kinglet noticed a new item of expenditure. Third one is so the kinglet called the commission and discussed. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Finally it was decided to let the criminal free. So answers are until, but, so, finally. I hope you are following. Next one. The women knew that the real value of forest was not timber, dash, springs and streams. Full stop. The women knew that the real value of forest was not timber, dash, springs and streams. The women declared, dash, they would hug the trees. Full stop. Vandana became a volunteer, dash, Chipko movement. Vandana became a volunteer, dash, Chipko movement. Full stop. A dramatic Chipko action took place, dash. A village woman named Bachni Devi led resistance against her own husband. Okay. Bracket ali for that, when, but. For, comma, that, comma, when, comma, but. Close the bracket. So let us see the answers. So the first one will be but. The women knew the real value of forest was not timber but springs and streams. Correct meaning baruttade. The women declared that. Okay. So adu clear ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. They would hug the trees. Next, Vandana became a volunteer for Chipko movement. For. And the last one is when. ಉಳಿದಿರುವುದು ಯಾವುದು? When. So answers are but, that, for and when. Okay. One more. The old man came to the farm just dash. The owner was in need of a person. The old man came to the farm dash. The owner was in need of a person. Full stop. He was well versed in agriculture, dash, understood the problems of workers. Full stop. The petty thefts, THEFTS, dash, were common in the garden, came to an end. Full stop. The plantation expanded, dash, the owner became lethargic. So bracket ali which, comma, and, but, when. So the answers will be, the first one is when. The old man came to the farm just when the owner. So meaning ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. When. ಎರಡನೇದು he was well versed in agriculture. ಎರಡನೇದು ಏನು? and understood the problems of workers. Third one, the petty thefts which were common. Which. So ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? But the plantation expanded, but the owner became lethargic. So you can easily ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ, ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಬರಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಆಗಬೇಕು. So one more last. The man fumbled for words. Fumbled, F-U-M-B-L-E-D, for words. Dash, he had committed a mistake. Full stop. The man fumbled for words. Dash, he had committed a mistake. She was listening. Dash, felt like going away. Dash, she stayed and listened. Full stop. He wondered how facts took such varied guises. He wondered how facts, F-A-C-T-S, took such varied, V-A-R-I-E-D, guises, G-U-I-S-E-S, dash, they are narrated as fiction. Bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ, and, comma, when, comma, as though, comma, but. And, when, as though, but. Answers will be, the man fumbled for words as though he had committed a mistake. As though he had committed a mistake. She was listening. Dash, ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತದೆ? And felt like going away, but she stayed and listened. And ಆಮೇಲೆ but. Last one ಏನು? When. Okay. He wondered how facts took such varied guises when they are narrated as fiction. Okay. So answers are as though, and, but, when. So I have given you sufficient exercises. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇತ್ತು, ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 9 + 7 16 ಸಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಥರೋ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡಿ, ಕ್ವಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ವಿತ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶಸ್. ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಡ, ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಡ, ಕ್ವಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಿ. ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಿಲ್ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬಾರದು. ಸಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯುನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಟು ಡೂ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ಡ್. ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೀರೈಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರೀರೈಟ್, ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಹುಡುಗರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಕ್ವಶ್ಚನ್ ಬರೀತಾರೆ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ಕ್ವಶ್ಚನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್, ಬರಿದು ಫಿಲ್ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, as it is asked, answer the questions as they are asked only. Okay, so first write the paragraph, then see the linkers. 4 dashes will be there and 4 linkers will be there. Then passage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ however, therefore, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಬರುವುದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ. ಇವನ್ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್, ಬಟ್, ವೈಲ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಫಿಲ್ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಫಿಲ್ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅದು ಬರೀರಿ. ಈಗ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ, 2 ಸಲ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಆವಾಗ ಫೋರ್ತ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಆವಾಗ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಂದಾಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀಬಾರದು, ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬಾರದು. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ದಮ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್, ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಟೇಕ್ 1 by 1, ಫಿಲ್ ದಮ್ ಅಪ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಡೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆನ್ಸರಿಂಗ್ ದ questions. It's a easy scoring area, so please do it. So next class ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಐ ಡೂ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ ದೆನ್ ಬಾಯ್.